Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Vivint doorbell camera, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the Vivint doorbell camera from its box. Make sure you have all the components, including the camera, mounting bracket, and screws. Identify the location where you want to install the camera. Ensure that it's within range of your Wi-Fi and near an existing doorbell wiring. Turn off the power to your existing doorbell at the circuit breaker. Remove your old doorbell by unscrewing it from the wall. Detach the wires from your old doorbell. Connect the new Vivint camera to the same wires. Match the two wires to the corresponding terminals on the camera, usually marked as positive and negative. Secure the wires in place by tightening the screws on the camera. Align the mounting bracket with the selected location on your wall. Use a level to ensure the bracket is straight before marking the screw holes. Drill the marked holes into the wall and insert the anchors if needed. Attach the mounting bracket to the wall using screws. Carefully place the camera onto the mounting bracket and push down until it clicks into place. Restore power to the doorbell at the circuit breaker. Open the Vivint app on your smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Test the video feed within the app to ensure it's working correctly. Adjust the camera angle if necessary for optimal viewing. You have now successfully set up your Vivint doorbell camera. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.